So for the first question I have for you is, give me a little bit of a background of how you got yourself into AI.
Okay. So, obviously, like you mentioned, the co-founder, Bill, Nicole, we worked at the company called Orbita AI for past 8 years. And prior to that, we were working at Actron. Bill is co-founder of Actron. But after that, Orbita AI was more AI assistant within the healthcare. So with at Orbita, we did a lot of very focused and patient facing healthcare, and we definitely done a little bit of an IoT version of it too. Prior to that,
Oh,
uh,
really?
yeah.
I didn't
So
know that. That's very interesting.
so that's why I have a lot of Amazon devices because I did work with Amazon Echo team close together, and we did a lot of skill development. So that was that just between the Actron and Orbita. But in Orbita was mainly so what we were doing is we were doing a lot of NLP.
Yeah.
With an NLP, we understand what people are saying while they're doing surveys, and we make sense out of it. So uh, when after that the whole big thing got dropped to on us with which is OpenAI just publishing a Chat GPT.
Yeah.
So when that happened, we were looking at Bill and I was thinking what we're gonna do next. But then right at that time, ChatGPT came out, and we were looking at that and looking at like this is like a moment that you would have when Steve Jobs introduced an iPhone.
Yeah.
First, people looked at the iPhone and the screen, and they'd be like, "What is that device?" But eventually, a lot of in the technology world started to realize now everyone can access everything on your hand and anywhere instead of having it in front of a computer, laptop, or a big desktop back in the day. Now everything is right in your hand. So that's the moment that we felt, right? So we were
Yeah.
like, okay, we got to do something about doing it that way. So with that, we our background is into building an experience and building some platform that makes everything easy. We kind of uh, figure out how to take complexity out of a complex problem and simplify it and present it to the users and business users. And whatever we build is very business friendly version of, let's say, how do you use chat gpt within your framework, right? How do you use the different models, experiment with a different model but without doing any kind of low code, no code approach.
Yeah.
And we do build out a business friendly platform. So that's how we get started.